Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. So recently we lost the actor Chadwick Boseman. Now, I along with a lot of other people were probably just as shocked as you were because I didn't even know that he had been ill. Well, the moment that the news broke, I reached out to John the teacher who does all of the 3D print models that you see on this channel, and I said, hey listen, we need to do a Black Panther sculpt. Now, growing up, I was not necessarily a Marvel Comics fan. My friends and I, we were primarily into DC. We read a lot of Image. We read Dark Horse comics, but Marvel was not something that we really were that into. So when Marvel first introduced Black Panther into the MCU, I didn't really know all that much about the character, and I didn't think I was going to be really that interested in the story that they were going to tell. And boy, was I wrong. That first Black Panther movie I thought was one of the best in the entire Marvel Cinematic Universe. And the backstory of the character was just super awesome. And I thought we could do him a service on this channel by painting up a 3D printed sculpture that John the teacher was able to find on the internet. And I'm super looking forward to this one, and I hope I can do it justice. Let's go paint this model.
So as you can probably tell, this sculpt here doesn't exactly look like the movie version. And I looked on the internet and I discovered the Hasbro Pulse Marvel Retro Collection Black Panther figure. I'm going to use this as my paint scheme. I picked up this awesome Tamiya color spray paint. This is metallic black from a local hobby store. The owner was super cool and specially ordered this just for me. I put 2 spray coats on Black Panther, let them dry, and now I'm using my go-to Centilier acrylics. This is the white, and I'm gonna do the claw necklace completely in white, probably 2 or 3 coats in order to cover the black. This is the Black Panther's main piece of jewelry. It was conceived by his sister Shuri. It has the power to make his superhero suit and mask cover his body in an instant. By far, it's the most iconic jewel in the movie. So we really got to make it pop. I'm also really loving the effects of the spray paint. It really does give his suit an added dimension, different sort of character, and it does look otherworldly. The Black Panther is a fast, agile, strong character, so I don't really want to go over the top with weathering and details. I just want to make him look sleek and bad to the bone. All of the superheroes in the Marvel movies pretty much change from movie to movie, and Black Panther is no exception. The Vibranium is actually more pronounced in the later Avengers movies. It works well for the CGI and camera, but I think for a figure of this size, it would be over the top. Do you have a favorite version of the Black Panther? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm giving his eyes the exact same treatment. Now's my opportunity to detail it up, and I want to bring in some of that cool vibranium detail that you see throughout all of the movies and on Cap's shield, and I am going to add some dry brushing techniques using a dark and then a lighter purple Centilier abstract color. Now I'm going with the lighter purple the rest of the way, and this thing mixed with the metallic black is really gonna pop. Now I'm going to add this Citadel Ard coat from Games Workshop. This is a gloss varnish, and after this, we're going to call it done.
So there you have it, the Retro Collection Black Panther. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really happy with the way that it came out. It just goes to show you, you don't always have to go over the top with weathering. Just a nice, clean, simple paint job can do the trick. Now again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.